Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic iPhone 15 Pro Max versus iPhone 14 Pro Max. Introductions. Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts more advanced features than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Stay tuned for a comparison of their specifications and features. Design differences. iPhone 15 Pro Max has a smaller notch and a slightly larger screen. iPhone 14 Pro Max has a thicker and heavier frame. iPhone 15 Pro Max has a more durable ceramic shields front cover. Processor and performance. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to have a more powerful processor than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 Pro Max may also have a higher RAM. RAM stands for random access memory capacity to improve its performance. The iPhone 15 Pro Max could potentially have a longer battery life due to improved efficiency of the new processor. Camera and photography. Main cameras. Both phones are rumored to have a 48 megapixel main camera, but the iPhone 15 Pro Max is rumored to have a larger sensor with the wider aperture of 1.7 versus f1.9. This should result in better low light performance and more details in photos. Battery life and charging. iPhone 15 Pro Max has a longer battery life than iPhone 14 Pro Max. Both phones support fast charging, but iPhone 15 Pro Max charges faster. iPhone 15 Pro Max also supports wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. Display and screen size. iPhone 15 Pro Max features a larger 6.7-inch display. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has a 6.1-inch display. Both models use old technology for stunning image quality. Conclusion. Both the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the iPhone 14 Pro Max are great phones, but consider your budget and needs before making a decision. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.